gone, you're tired, but you got God on your side. So you keep moving, you keep wasting your time riding your wrongs.
Hi my beautiful loves, right now I'm in my car. I'm about to enter the nail shop. I'm gonna give you guys a little vlog on how and how long it takes to get a nail job done here in Japan. I'm about to enter my camera fell. Cool. My appointment is at 2, so right now it's like 1:55. We're gonna go in and let's get this. Okay, so right now I'm my pedicure done first. So far so good. Posted on how long it literally takes. Right now it's 2 o'clock and we're just getting started. Alright, so we are finally finished with getting my nails done. I went in at 2, you guys, and it is 4:30, but it was worth it. Everything looks great. My nails are awesome, and they did my toes as well, and they did an awesome job. So yes, shout out to Misawa Spa, because they are awesome and they're dope in Japan.